What's up? I'm making tuna salad. Spaghetti. Not spaghetti, but taco. Let me put that right up. What? No, honey, okay? You're fine. What can you do with that? What? You put it back. Right now I'm getting ready to make some tuna.
It's just so how it is.
Get down from begging, Blocker. Get down.
Nobody today.
So I'm gonna get ready to dump this. That little ass shirt you got on, boy, that don't make no sense. Howard. Yes, you, boy. Alright, so right now, I just drained my hamburger. I know y'all can't see it from right here.
I keep it in bed on my bed. I forgot the cake. I just put my hand like this.
Okay.
And then I got it out.
Okay.
Honest?
I'll let that go.
Could you cut the cup and it's gonna look through my hand?
I'll take care of it.
Okay. Mom, go to your camera app and you type it in.
I am.
Go to camera app and you type it in.
Quick turn two, Jack.
What? What you heard her? She said go to your camera app and see what size she did. She said what?
Well, look at you.
Alright, so way to make tacos real quick, simple. Hamburger meat is already cooked. Pour the seasoning in now. Not really much. Whatever type of taco season you like. I like this kind. Welcome back to my channel with another cooking video. Please move and put that up. Please, Tiana. Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone, Tiana. Not playing. So right now I'm just stirring this macaroni. This spaghetti. I'm tired, y'all. I'm really overwhelmed. I'm really thinking about my Aunt Chris. I'm depressed about it all over again. I can't get my words right. I hate it when I get like that. Like, I can't get my words right. But long story short, now I'm making the tacos. I used 2 pikes because I had a lot of hamburger, and this is how it looked. So yeah, and I add water in it. Mix it up really good. Tiana, give me a bigger spoon, a silver spoon. This plastic spoon, I don't even know who. Why did I even buy a plastic spoon? Because I don't like plastic. I don't like cooking with these type of spoons, y'all. These type of spoons is not for me. Alright, y'all, I'm just cooking tacos right now for the kids tonight. We've been at the beach. They don't have a shower. I'm going to go take me one because I am overwhelmed. Alright, that's good. You need a silver spoon. So yeah, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Queen back with another video. I'm gonna have to charge my phone real quick. I am officially done making the taco meat. Tiana, give me a cup of water. I'm gonna add some water. Tiana, give me a cup of water. Give me a cup of water out the faucet. Gotta make these kids. That's right, never mind. I'll put some of my red water.
You got water on it?
I already got some. Because I want it to be
I got water out.
not sticking. Alright. I'm gonna log back on so y'all can see what I'm cooking. Eggs for that. Macaroni salad, I'll let y'all see. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It's your girl Queen back with another cooking channel. Hit that post notification. Go to my other channel, KTA Much Bingo.